Hi, I'm Dan with Autoality, and today we're going to be looking at a new tool from Autofiber. It's called the Reacher. And a couple things, you're going to actually get 3 covers in there, and you're going to have the smooth glass on one side, you're going to have the dreadnought on the other. The other nice thing about these is they are the exact same inside, so you can flip it inside out and actually utilize that as well. Here's the tool right here, and you know, from using these tools in the past, the one thing that I kind of like about this, it has a full axle that really encloses on both sides of the backer, and then the handle is very durable, and it feels really good in the hand. The foam is actually thicker, and as you are pressing this allows you to keep a more constant contact on the glass, which means cleaner glass. Also, too, you're threaded here, so if any of you currently have barrel blades in your arsenal, you know, it's a wheel cleaning tool. And then you have covers that slide over top of it. But if you look, there is a handle that it's somewhere around 6 inches. I wish I had one here to show you. But it'll just screw in here and it'll actually extend your reach out maybe another 6 inches or so. Okay, so very nice. So if we're looking at these, you know, traditionally when cleaning glass, the smooth side first, this is going to do all of your cleaning. Okay, and you want something shorter with a shorter nap because it literally goes and attacks that dirt that's there. Okay, and then you can flip it and use the dreadnought side, which then you could go ahead and sop and mop that up. If I was doing this in a production environment, I'd probably keep 2. I'd run one with the smooth and just keep it loaded up with glass cleaner, and then I would run my dreadnought to pick anything up. Now, if you already have this is a dash duster cover. Comes in a 2-pack. These are new, they just came out. And if you want to use a duster in your car, you know, it works very easily, and you just go ahead and slip that on. And again, it's nice, fluffy, cleans very quickly. You can get up in those tight spots on your dashboard or even down on the side, door panels, whatever it may be, and do a quick dust of your vehicle. Thanks so much for listening. It's Dan with Autoality.com. We stock these items. You can go on 24/7 and actually pick them up. Remember, our inventory is live, so if you are able to order it, we have it, and we will ship it out very quickly. Thanks so much, and have a great day.